Uh, this is my kit. Uh, Simply, I'm here to share you this platform, lesson planning platform that you can use when you are preparing your lesson. Very easiest way. In this, we shall see different issues. It is a system which is a very easiest to be used, to be filled, to be handled, to be registered in, to be logged in. So everything is fine and everything is very easy. So is any touch? Yes, gentlemen. This is a lesson planning generator software we are going to launch. Ladies and gentlemen, today we stand on a brink of new era in education, one defined by innovation, empowerment, and limitless possibilities. It is with a great pleasure that ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to present a new system or a software we developed called the lesson planning generator software. Ladies and gentlemen, today we stand on a brink of a new era in education. When it defined by innovation, empowerment, and limitless possibilities, it is with a great pleasure and the excitement that I welcome you to the launch of our groundbreaking initiative, the lesson planning generator. Our lesson planning generator is not just a tool, it is a game changer, a catalyst for transformation in education. With this intuitive interface and the powerful features, teachers can now streamline the lesson planning process like never before. Gone are the days of laborious manual planning. Our platform empowers educators to generate customized lesson plan with ease and efficiency. But the lesson planning generator is more than just a repository of sources. It is a dynamic platform that adapts to the unique needs of every teacher in the classroom. Our intelligent algorithm analyzes user preferences, student demographics, and curriculum requirements to suggest personalized lesson plan that minimize learning outcome and promote students' engagement. As we embark in the journey of innovation and empowerment, let us embrace the potential of the lesson planning generator to transform education for generations to come. Together, let us reimagine the future of the teaching and learning. There's a creativity, collaboration, and students' success reign supreme. Thank you for joining us in this momentum occasion with the lesson planning generation. The possibilities are endless and the future is bright. Thank you. Our service, we provide lesson planning template, curriculum alignment to read in detail. In other service, there is a resource library. In another, there is customization tool, which is self-contained. Our lesson planning generator, collaboration features, assessment integration. Another service, we have the accessibilities and mobility data analysis, customer support. In another form of our services, this is a summary of everything we do. And just before we go forward, let's just look how we can register or how we can log in once you are registered. The first issue is this. To log in, you must just click here the email and the owner password. But if you didn't log in, just you may register in. Just as a register. Well, this is our login form. If you have registered, it is simple just to log in. This is an email and the password you set. But if you didn't register before, here is the simplest form you can do or can fill. Other theory identities is enough. I'll simply just you come, you fill your names, the name you will use, which will be printed. And this is the email address, which are very crucial, very important. And this is just the password you may use. After you log in, this is the dashboard we have. Very, very, very good. This is the dashboard we have there. This is excuse me a little bit. Yes, so this is the part, the dashboard is the first one. We are going to see the dashboard at the first. On our dashboard, the second one, it is new lesson plan. You may generate it. This is a lesson plan, you plan it. Another, this is manage your subject. This is your title, user profile. This we're going to see in detail. Well, simply what I want to show you, this is the dashboard, how it looks like. For example, for example, as the user, the first user I used it as a sample. This is the generated report of the lesson plan you plan it. We are going to see it in detail. Excuse me a bit. Yeah, this is what you have seen when you are on the dashboard. This is what you see. You see this, you see this. This is about the dashboard. In the dashboard you see what you said, what you have said. Another issue there is that this is what you may call, excuse me a little bit. Here is the next point we are going to see. It is excuse me a little bit. Next thing we are going to see is this. Well, the next thing we're going to see is a lesson plan. You have seen. Let me remove this. This is the lesson plan. This is the lesson plan and how it is set. Just to come down here, you start setting. You fill the unit title. Every component of lesson plan is there. This is the second point. So the third one you see here is a new lesson plan. Another point we can see, it is here. It is just another point is what you call lesson plan generation. You see new lesson plan. At this part here, you see up here, you may add something you want. although just a new lesson. We shall see just in a detail. Another issue after that, after the lesson plan, let's see this manage a subject. For example, if you managed in a subject, you may here it is said create a new subject. You may just create a new subject you want if you wanted to set a new. Another issue is this. There is user profile. To the user profile, about the user profile, just to your setup. Yeah, what you've said. This is what we call user profile. No. User profile is here. Just if you want, you may fill the information required. Here, this is the bio. You may put your qualification, your diploma, your everything, your description. This is you will set to your image here. You may fill here the information which are required there. Yeah, that is. Another part is here. A simple about is school information. The school information where you teach from. Very simple. You may add the logo of a school, the school badge if you have it, and everything, every information required. Another issue is that for security, once you think the password you set is somehow tough for you, you may use these labels just to change. Lastly, not leastly, let's create a lesson plan. Visit our website at www.edufits.online or browse our app or our platform via www.lessonplan.edufits.online. Thank you for watching. Let's be together to the next session. We are going to set just a new lesson plan. Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, lesson planner generator, the software I'm going to explain here about is just a platform where I designed with my team just to help to design a lesson plan. Today we stand on the brink of a new era in education, one defined by innovation, empowerment, and the limitless possibilities. It is with great pleasure and excitement that welcome you to the launch of our groundbreaking initiative, the Lesson Plan Generator. Our Lesson Plan Generator is not just a tool, it is a game changer, a catalyst for transformation in education. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, teachers can now streamline the lesson planning process like never before. Gone are the days of laborious manual planning. Our platform empowers educators to generate customized lesson plan with ease and efficiency. But the lesson plan generator is more than just a repository of resources. It is a dynamic platform that adapts the unique needs of every teacher in the classroom. Our intelligent algorithm analyzes user preferences, students' demographics, and the curriculum requirements to suggest personalized lesson plan that maximize learning outcomes and promote students' engagements. As we embark on this journey of innovation and empowerment, let us embrace the potential of Lesson Plan Generator to transform education for generations to come. Together, let us reimagine the future of teaching and learning, where creativity, collaboration, and strong success reign supreme. Thank you for joining us on this momentous occasion. With the lesson planner generator, the possibilities are endless and the future is bright. Thank you. Our service, we provide lesson planner templates, curriculum alignment. You may read in detail resource library, customization tool, collaboration features, assessment integrations. You may read more when you reach to our platform. Accessibilities and mobility, data analysis, customer support. This is the main page of ours. And just to, if you have registered, just to you log in like this. There's a very simplest form interface. If you are not logged in, you may just register from this form. We only need the full names, email, and the password. Then you register. The dashboard, it looks like this one. The first one, it is just a dashboard, lesson plan, new lesson plan, manage subject, user interface, school information, account, security. About the lesson plan, this is the very simplest format. Just you start to fill whatever is there. Then the lesson plan, this is how it is, what you have said. This is if you want to manage the subject. In a corner, right corner, there is a create new. You may just put on. This is for example the default. This is the user we have seen. But user profile, just you may fulfill the required information. And the school information is just where I teach from, or this you may use. For example, this one is called Imabre M, school name Edifidi High School, the Edifidi High School logo, the logo name, the school name Edifidi High School, school number, and everything. So about the account security, just you may change the password, the current password, the new password if you want. So let's